What's up, everybody? So there'll be no update on a KX this week as I am out in Frisco, I think it's Frisco, Colorado at Copper Mountain Resort with my oldest daughter. So we're just enjoying some time out here. But in the meantime, Mitch Allard, aka Mitch Lovin, sent me all his pictures and a couple videos of his 94 CR250. So I'm gonna upload that this week so you can watch that bike literally transform from a junker to a piece of art. Also, if you like what you see in this video, comment below and let me know, because he's just starting a process of an 87 CR500 that is part of the Broke to Built concert. So, sorry, contest, not concert. But yeah, so I'm gonna go enjoy these Colorado Rocky Mountains and have some fun snowboarding with my daughter. So we'll see you guys on the next one.
This song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. Song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. On the come up, steady scheming. We ain't got a lot, but you know we believe in what we feel in our hearts as we reach for the ceiling. They all just frowned and shook their heads. I nodded with the smile and took their bets. Came out on top and they all on the losing end. Nothing turned out how they thought it really should have been. And I ought to thank them for real. Gave me the fire that turned me to steel. If love is war, life is a battlefield. Headed for the sky, wonder how that'll feel. Ready to be living it, making dividends. Winning is a goal and I know that I'm getting it. My rise to the top is getting imminent. Waiting on the challengers, go ahead and send them in. This song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. Song's for the winners, never giving up, never giving in when life gets tough. This song's for the soldiers, never calling quits. Live for the challenge, they can never get enough of this. I can see the sun's rays and they're parting the clouds. My path is so clear and I'm walking it